day likes to go home. But she likes to take up to me. Oh, when she likes to play. You are the music. Every day can't do it tomorrow. You can open your present on the birthday or Christmas. Any day, Santa comes in your house to give you presents. And he likes to go home, and then Santa lives in North Pole. And then hear the music on the ear. Say oh 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 oh. Hear the music to the oh sound. Oh oh, I'm the gopher, yeah. 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 Oh, every day you like to be dancing. Yeah, this is in the show, and then take a picture of me, Mom. Mama, sit in the show. Sit. Mom, and then he always likes to go. And every day we weave jackets and make a snowman. Every day he likes to go home. Anything he likes to go. And then and high, you love your family. Anything you can go in your friend's house, because it's Hannah's birthday, and we say happy birthday to your friend. And then you share some cake to your friend. It will yummy, it will be yummy. And then bring a bag, anything she likes. Bring a bag, bring a book for your bag. And then you went to school with your bag. When you went to the school bus, and then we always pick her mom, pick Leanne up. And Leanne always said that to me. And then he's always like me. We like all my friends together. And always be together. And always be together. This is down. And then she always likes to go home. No, go down the stage, Basti. She always likes to go. Anything she likes to go. Sing hear the music to the sound. Anything you like to sing. Every day. And then he goes to the music of the sound. Get it? Every day say to your music of your sound. Anything he likes to do. No dancing. Anything he likes to do. And oh, I'm the gopher, yeah. Oh, I'm the gopher, yeah. Oh, I'm the gopher, yeah. Oh, I'm the gopher, yes. And every day we like to go home. we watch SpongeBob and Princess and any music any movie you like to watch. And you send some music to your friends and put it on the card and then put some princess stickers, Barbie stickers, Dora stickers, and Pony stickers, and unicorn stickers, and some princess stickers. And he likes to go home from dinner, and then when it's my party, we have to say hi, and then when you say, and your friends will say happy birthday, and we bring some presents for me, and I won't be knocking or say it to me, because it's a surprise. What is it? We will open it, and then he likes to go home, and then he will taste my cake, and then he will say happy birthday. And the princess have a turn with me, and Mickey, and La, and Minnie, and Daisy like to have some watch Mickey Mouse on Disney. Anything you like to go say uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Anything say uh-oh. Hear the music to the sound. Anything you like to sing, say uh-oh, uh-oh. Hear the music to the sound again. And then when you have a picture with the Santa, it will put it in the frame. I didn't have this. And then he said, I like to go everywhere. And then he likes to